Hello everyone, so in MIT App Inventor, now you can create the folders also. So that's really amazing thing because as you can see here, I already have created amazing lot of apps. As you can see here, I think more than 1,000 apps. So I need some folders where I can separate my apps. Okay, so suppose let's create a folder. In the top, you will see the new folder. Click on this and my folder name is suppose apps related to the games. I will put here, so like game. Okay, and I'm gonna just click on OK. So this is my game folder. Now I'm gonna see this is the game plaza, this is the game app, this is the end game, this is also end game. Okay, so this is app inventor game. So I'm gonna move all these game to the game folder. So selected this, and as you can see the move option, just click on this, move to the folder. So just click on the plus icon, and as you can see the game, so just select the game and just click on OK. Now here all games, okay, as you can see here all games moved to this game folder. As you can see here, just open this like this. So that's really fantastic and amazing functionality that App Inventor built on their platform. So that's really awesome. And I'm gonna separate the all AI projects to the another folder. So whenever someone need related to this, and if someone need the project related to the AI or something, so I can easily import or export their AI and AX and I'll share them. So that's really cool and amazing functionality. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.